Hello everyone. I'm Ted. And in this video we will be continuing with Chapter 1. HRM. Concepts, Functions, Roles, and Competencies. Let's start. And now let's discuss the next function of operative functions, which is maintenance function. Maintenance function. Maintenance function aims at protecting and preserving the physical and psychological health of employees through various welfare measures. And now let's discuss these different measures. First, health and safety. Managers at all levels are expected to ensure a work environment that protects employees from physical hazards, unhealthy conditions, and unsafe acts of other personnel. By doing so, they make sure that the well-being of employees must be preserved and even improved. Second, employee welfare. It includes the services, amenities, and facilities offered to employees within or outside the establishment for their physical, psychological, and social well-being. For example, housing, transportation, education, and recreation facilities. And third, social security measures. Managements provide social security to their employees in addition to fringe benefits. These measures include compensation to workers who are involved in accidents, maternity benefits to women employees, sickness and medical benefits, disablement benefits or allowance, dependent benefits, retirement benefits like provident fund, pension, and gratuity. And now let's discuss the last function of operative function, which is integration function. Integration function. It tries to integrate the goals of an organization with employee aspirations through various employee-oriented programs, like redressing grievances promptly, instituting proper disciplinary measures, empowering people to decide things independently, encouraging a participative culture, and offering constructive help to trade unions. And now let's discuss some aspects of integration function. First, grievance redressal. Grievance is any factor involving wages, hours, or conditions of employment that is used as a complaint against the employer. Constructive grievance handling depends first on the manager's ability to recognize, diagnose, and correct the causes of potential employee dissatisfaction before it converts into a formal grievance. Second, discipline. It is the force that prompts an individual or a group to observe the rules, regulations, and procedures that are deemed necessary for the attainment of an objective. Third, team and teamwork. Self-managed teams have emerged as the most important formal groups in today's organizations. They enhance employee involvement and have the potential to create positive synergy. By increasing worker interaction, they create camaraderie among team members. They encourage individuals to put group goals above their individual goals. Teams have inherent strengths which ultimately lead to organizational success at various levels. Fourth, collective bargaining. It is the process of agreeing on a satisfactory labor contract between the management and union. The contract contains agreements about conditions of employment such as wages, hours, promotion, discipline, layoff, benefits, vacations, rest pauses, and the grievance procedure. Fifth, employee participation and empowerment. When workers participate in organizational decisions, they are able to see the big picture clearly and also how their actions would impact the overall growth of the company. They can offer feedback immediately based on their experiences and improve the quality of decisions. When they are treated with respect, they begin to view the job and the organization as their own, and commit themselves to organizational objectives wholeheartedly. Sixth, trade unions and employees association. Trade union is a relatively permanent body formed by workers with the objective of countering exploitation and harassment. It strives towards providing economic and social benefits to the labor community, using aggressive bargaining tactics. However, since the 1990s, the situation has changed dramatically. Unable to fight the forces of competition, many employers have been forced to shut down units and scale down operations. This has made both parties realize the importance of bargaining for their rights in an atmosphere of give and take. Sixth, industrial relations. Harmonious industrial relations are essential, otherwise the relationship between the labor and management stays no longer cordial, dissatisfaction develops and conflicts erupt abruptly. It is not always easy to put out the fires with the existing structures created by the government. Hence both the parties must appreciate the importance of openness, trust, and collaboration in their day-to-day dealings. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. This video is brought to you by Bookstune. Like this video to encourage us. Share this video to spread the knowledge. And subscribe to this channel for latest update.